Welcome to Soterion, the leading provider of business-centric GRC solutions. In this video, we will showcase the capabilities of our SAP License Manager. Soterion's SAP License Manager is designed to identify underutilized and incorrectly classified SAP users. By constantly monitoring user activity within SAP, we help you optimize your SAP license usage, manage contracts, ensure compliance, and reduce unnecessary costs. With our SAP License Manager, you can effortlessly determine whether your SAP users have been assigned the appropriate license category. Our software can classify licenses based on either transaction code and Fiori usage or access assigned to the user. We also provide recommendations for reclassifying users who may have been incorrectly classified, along with detailed reports that show which transaction codes or Fiori apps are responsible for any changes in license category. Take control of your SAP license spend with ease using Soterion's SAP License Manager. For more information, contact us at info@soterion.com.